Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day. I'm Ana Cristin Sapido. I live at 140 Santa Monica, Navalitos, Quezon City. I'm a single person. I'm degree at undergrad, Bachelor of Science Entrepreneurial Management. I have two brothers. Their ages 29 and 10. I have three sisters. Their ages is 35, 33, and 24.
Tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
As a domestic helper, I'm in the Philippines last 2016 and 2018.
How many helpers in the house?
Just only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, I want to expand my experience on the other country or in our country in the Philippines.
What will you do in the house to start from the morning?
First, I prepare myself, and after that, I doing household chores like washing clothes, preparing the food of the kids, and prepare their going to school.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For experience, and first, I want to give my family financially, special their needs, and as a household worker, I want to prove that I can be a good worker in abroad.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is normal, and I can handle, especially I'm an independent person.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of elderly.
Elderly, I treat them as my family. I talk to them. I talk to them properly, and I always give respect while I talk them.
Tell me about your experience of taking care of newly born baby.
As my personal experience, I look at baby. I'm prepared their vitamins, food, changing clothes, diaper.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I calm myself. Then I check their temperature, and then I will call my employer to inform what happened to the baby.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
Yes, I promise. Not to break my 2 years contract, I can manage it by positive attitude to my employer. I promise to finish whatever commitment signed with them.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yeah, I can sing. Sing. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa.
Tell me about your cooking experience.
Simple meals like Filipino meals, like Filipino foods, adobo, sinigang, and I'm willing to learn how to cook any kind of dishes to serve my employer properly.
Tell me, what time do you sleep at night, and what do you do before sleeping?
I sleep at night as long as we finish my house duties. And before sleeping, I make sure the doors and windows are properly locked and light is off.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Ana Cristin Sapido. Please chosen me as your domestic helper. Promise to be hardworking and patient, honest, and trustworthy person.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you and God bless.